Hey guys, let's see today how to send a message with echo effect on your iPhone. Yeah, so guys, for that just go to message app, just tap on it, and now guys, from the contact list, just you have to select anyone, like if you want to send any text message, any message. Yeah, you can emoji also, you can send with echo effect. So just select to any friends, yeah, any family. So let's example, I want to send echo effect to my mom, so just I have just select that one. And now guys, from here, let's example, I want to send some kind of that. Either you could send the photo also, stickers also. So let's example, I want to send some kind of that emoji with echo effect. So let's example, if I want to send to my mom, yeah, so this is the yeah, yeah, you can similar, yeah. So here I wanted to add some yeah, like echo effect. So guys, for that just press and hold for some moment, and automatically the pop-up screen will appear. So from here just select the screen tab, and guys, from here you can see over the send with echo. Yeah, so now you can go and just send that one. Yeah, so guys, this way you can send any message, any emoji with echo effect on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.